2012 Jeep Compass. I just replaced the battery and they gave me the wrong battery the other day, and then it wouldn't start again this morning, and I looked and I noticed the battery wasn't the right battery, and I got a fresh new battery this morning and it still wouldn't start. So this is what it's doing. It's kind of just chugging and then it stops. Super annoying. So I'm gonna go hit on the starter solenoid and see if that'll give me a clue to whether or not if it's the starter. So on here, the battery's right here, and the starter is down there by them two wires, and I believe that's a solenoid on top. So I'm gonna take this pole and put it down there and tap on that solenoid on the starter to see if that'll move that enough to get it to start again. So we'll see if that helps.